I absolutely love my Milwaukee M12 tools, but the one thing I cannot stand is these stupid batteries. These clips break off all the time, and then your battery just falls straight out of your tool. What a pain in the butt. But fortunately, you can buy a new top piece for next to nothing. Stick around and I'll show you how easy it is to replace this. So there's simply 4 screws right in the bottom of this thing. It's a T10 and it's a security Torx, meaning it's got this little tiny hole in the center of the Torx bit. Because you know that's going to stop you from taking this apart until you just buy the tool to take it apart anyway. Why they can't use a normal fastener is beyond me. Now the hardest part about this is if you're trying to save these little decals on the side. The first time I did this, I carefully peeled them down and tried to stick them back up. Well, it didn't work out anyway. Just take your razor knife and slice right through the decal and pull the top off. It's the easiest thing you can do. So after you've got the 4 screws pulled out, all you do is pull this top cover off. Take your new top cover, drop it on, reinstall the screws. It's that simple. Let me show you exactly what happens. This little tab here breaks off. You can see it's not in place on this one, it's gone. There's the little nub of it, but the actual part that hooks around the top here is just gone. These are not Milwaukee covers. I looked. I can't find them anywhere. They're not available. The only downside to these is they didn't last quite as long as the original cover did, but it's just over 10 bucks for a pair of them, so I'm not too terribly concerned, and you can see this is less than a 5-minute job. Well, there you have it. That's kind of what the Torx looks like. It looks like a normal Torx, and then that center of it's just completely gone. You can buy these on Amazon. I bought this at Menards. Buy them pretty much anywhere. They're called security Torx. Like I said, you need a T10 for this. So if you're sick of your batteries coming loose and your tool not working, buy a new cover. They're super cheap, very easy to install. I'll put a link below in the description for my Amazon store. These will be in there. You can buy them on eBay too, but Amazon's just a little bit easier to deal with sometimes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.